Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So yeah, here on the Ethereum chart, we can see that the market is working on this, you could say, expected C wave to the upside we've been tracking. I only want to take a look at the shorter time frame here. Resistance parameters unchanged. Support parameters unchanged. The price has broken out of this wedge pattern we were looking for, this breakout we were looking for, to start at least, I would say, a C wave to the upside in a wave 4 corrective rally. Quick reminder, we were tracking here an A wave up, a B wave down, and a potential C wave up, and then a fifth wave down would still be on the table as long as the market holds below this resistance, sort of the 2090 area. Yeah. So this move up is not incredibly bullish. At least it's not really super exciting. Nothing that would, impress me too much. You could even say that this turns into a triangle, maybe. So that wave 4 might turn into a triangle, I have to say. That is extremely likely. The way it's behaving, that would become less likely or actually invalidated. But I'm not tracking that as such. I'm observing it, you could say, in the background, just thinking out loudly here. It would, any break above 1964, that swing high from Tuesday this week would invalidate the idea of a triangle. I mean, triangle would look like that, A wave up, B wave down, C wave up, D wave, E wave, and then down. That's possible. As long as we're printing lower highs and higher lows, this is a valid assumption, actually, a kind of likely assumption, but technically there's not enough evidence for that, because we're just moving sideways right now. Still something I'm observing in the background, because the the potential is that this is a wave 4, and wave 4s can be triangles. The good news about a triangle is, if you're familiar with Elliott wave, it's typically kind of the last move before, well, second to last, right? There's only one more wave down afterwards. So if a triangle happens, there would be an indication that this is the last move before wave 5, and then there's just one more dip, and that should find support here around maybe 1660, 1570 additional support, yeah, in case we haven't bottomed yet. And I have to say, there's nothing that would clearly tell me at this point that we've bottomed. I'm tracking the white count as a potential, but I said to you before, the yellow count seems to be preferred. But even in the yellow one, I find another, let's say, rally in wave C to the upside quite likely, which could, take us to round about 2090, maybe 2020, that area here, yeah. It takes a break above 2090, followed by a break above this signal line located around $2,150 in 5 waves to really confirm that we've bottomed. And you see these 5 waves here. This is what I would need to see to confirm we've bottomed. But there's literally not enough information there. Yeah. So at this point in the yellow count, and we can just move it a little bit further to the right, just stretch it out a little bit. Make it a little bit clearer to explain structure. The idea would be in the yellow count, this is an A wave up and a B wave down. So the price reacted to that communicated micro support area between 1797 and 1879. I leave it on the chart because it's technically still relevant. So we could easily test that area again and try again. It is still relevant, especially as long as we don't break above this Tuesday high. Now then, the move to the upside, difficult to call it an impulse, but it could be wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. And it would give me kind of a completed C wave to the upside in wave 4. Basically what I'm trying to say is it takes, after that C wave is complete, after the yellow count is complete, it takes another higher low and another higher high to confirm bullishness, yeah? Because even while the market might be grinding higher a little bit, this is nothing noteworthy, and it's just part of a corrective bounce, yeah? So we keep an open mind here. I still favor that a substantial low forms in this area, but obviously we need some signals, and even in the, let's say, short-term bearish count, some short-term upside is expected, at least likely. But if a triangle develops from here, and we'll observe that over the weekend, triangles happen very often on a weekend, then it might suggest a direct move down. So at this point, yellow is preferred, okay? But in yellow, a wider wave 4 is possible. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, yeah, if you have any questions about charts, check out our X profile. We're very active here this morning. I'm happy to answer all questions here in this post, in this kind of weekend post. So yeah, check it out. If you have any questions, let me know there. Discuss with us, discuss with the MCO community on X, and wish you a great weekend. Have a great weekend, great Saturday. Bye-bye.